So today in class 6 physics we will start with the friction. You all know that if we see in case of friction, that is oppose the motion. Suppose one example, a ball rolling on the ground slows down and eventually comes to rest after some time. So this is because while it moving, it experiences a force that is direction opposite to its motion. The opposing force is called the friction. Here friction is the force that opposes or resists the relative motion between the two bodies and surfaces in contact with each other. Friction always acts like the direction opposite to the direction of motion. So if move a table towards north, then force is friction will act on the table towards south. Similarly, when a bucket is of water kept on the floor move towards left, then the friction will between the floor and the bucket towards right. So friction is caused due to the irregularities of the surface or object in contact. If we carefully observe the surface of object through magnifying lens, we will see that there are teeny hills and grooves, that is valleys, when any two surfaces come in contact with each other. These hills and grooves are interlocked with one another and the opposite motion. To be able to move any of these surface, we have to apply force to overcome the interlocking. When applied force is sufficient, the interlocking breaks and the object begins to move. So now move on to the properties of friction. If we see that friction always opposes relative motion, hence it slows down and ultimately stops a moving body. Friction produces heat, and this is why when we rub our hands together and touch our cheek with them, we feel warm. Even in types of moving tires of moving vehicles and the moving parts of machine become hot due to friction. Friction causes wear and tear of the surface in contact. It result of wearing out of the sole of our shoes and tire of moving vehicle. Also the parts of a machine wear out due to the friction, and one has to replace them from time to time. Now if we see one activity to observe the effect of friction, that is a ball and geometry box, and the objective of ball geometry box and rub it against a carpeted floor for 1 to 2 minutes. Now touch the rub. If we touch the rubbed side, then we will notice the object carpet is warm. So what are the factors now affecting the friction? That is the first one is nature of surface in contact. As we discussed that friction arises due to irregularities on the surface of the object. The more and irregularities, greater will be the friction. Since a smooth surface has lesser irregularities as compared to the rough surface, friction is less for smooth surface and more in rough surface. Weight of body also one character. A body kept on ground experiences the normal force extended by the ground when which is equal to the weight of the body. So the body is heavier. The normal force extended on it will be more. Greater the normal force experienced by the body, greater is the frictional force. In other words, if we see more force will require to move the heavier body from as lighter body. Next, area of surface in contact for any given surface. Friction is independent of the shape and area of the surface in contact. So suppose if we demonstrate this with a area, that a box with x, y and z not equal, a box is there, fix a hook. Now if we, with the help of spring balance, move the box in the table, now we will note that the reading of spring balance is recorded. Similarly the hook, you will observe that apply same force to move the box in all the three cases. If simply we do these kind of things. So friction is independent of area in contact between the surface. So today up to that, next we will start with another topic.